Your next car could be the 2025 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.
At Wright Toyota in Scottsdale, our mission is simple: your complete satisfaction before, during, and long after the sale. We're proud to be one of Arizona's premier Toyota dealerships, offering a wide selection of cars, trucks, and SUVs. Our service doesn't stop at the showroom. Our factory-trained technicians and comprehensive service department are here to keep your vehicle running like new. At Wright Toyota, we believe in integrity, value, and a no-hassle experience every time you visit. Come see the Wright Toyota difference at 7701 East Frank Lloyd Wright Boulevard in Scottsdale.